Hello. In today's video, I want to talk about how you can set custom keyboard shortcuts on your macOS applications. So here's the scenario. Let's set this up. So I've been watching videos and basically I'm going to open and close these videos one by one to watch them. And so let's just open one. So I'm learning about React and GraphQL and stuff, and I always like to listen to videos at 2x speed. So if we go here, we can see playback speed, and I can set it to 2.0. Now, unfortunately, QuickTime doesn't save the value. And so what that means is when I close the video and open a new one, it sets it back to the default. And so I haven't found yet if there's a way to set the default permanently, but I can make it really easy by just setting a keyboard shortcut. And so the thing I came up with is if I do Command 1, it can be normal speed, and if I do Command 2, I can double the speed. And I'll show you how that works and how we can set that up. So in settings, if we look at the keyboard settings here, and then we go into shortcuts, and then finally, if we go here to app shortcuts, we can see that I have some defined already, and I'm going to add a new one. And so the way that this works is it uses the menu items up top. So you will see up here in QuickTime, the current window that's focused, we have these menu items. And so here under View, we have playback speed, and then we want to set these values. And so you'll see here that there's normal and then there's double. And it's already set. You can see Command 1 and Command 2 are showing up. And the reason that that worked is because inside here, in fact, if I remove these, let's just copy these just so we have them, and I'll show you how these work one by one. We can make them app specific, which I do recommend. So we're going to add a new app. The application is QuickTime. And so the way that this one works, and really this is the one that's most important to me, is you look at each menu item. So we knew View was the top menu item, and then we use this dash greater than sign. It sort of looks like an arrow. You combine that with the next menu item. And so in this case, it's playback speed, and then another arrow, and then the word double. And so the only thing that's important is that you match the menu item names, and they are case sensitive, and you also have to include spaces. So just like that, we can go in here, and the menu item total is here. View, arrow, playback speed, arrow, double, just as mentioned. And then when you click on keyboard shortcuts, you just click on it to focus it, and then you run the keyboard shortcut that you want to use. So I'll just hit Command 1 on my keyboard, and we'll see that it automatically detects that. So if everything looks good, I just hit Add, and we'll do the same thing again. We'll add a new one, and we'll do the normal speed playback, and I want that to be Command 1. And then double, of course, that was wrong, so you can double click on it if you want to change it. So it's easy to change as well in the main menu. And just like that, you'll know it's working if you go up to View, playback speed, normal, and double. And so these things, one, it shows you that it works, and if we hit play, if I hit Command 2, we'll see that it speeds up. If I hit 1, you'll see that it slows back down. And so we see that it's working. But yeah, this is a really useful tip for me. It's just a really easy and quick way to sort of normalize keyboard shortcuts or just come up with ones that I don't want. So you can also overwrite existing keyboard shortcuts. So inside Spotify, if I look up here, View, go forward and go back, I set to angle brackets, which this is just how Safari and Finder and all the other apps work. This is a common key binding, but Spotify chose not to do this common key binding. And so it's really easy for me to implement whatever, is in my muscle memory, whatever makes sense for the application. And yeah, that's it. I hope it's helpful. Feel free to share in the comments what keyboard shortcuts you have come up with. And of course, please like and subscribe. Thanks.